Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game and system are updated. That avoids version conflicts. Next, locate the save you want to virtualize. Cloud saves versus local files differ. Once found, install the virtual backup utility and grant file access permissions so it can read and write saves. Now create an initial export copy to USB or internal backup folder. This is your safety snapshot. Make sure to label it clearly and note the save slot and player ID before proceeding to virtualize the save. Now you create the virtual backup instance. Select the exact target save slot and assign a descriptive name so you avoid overwriting. Then enable virtualization options, read-only to protect the original, auto-sync if you want changes merged, and timestamping for tracking. Next, map profiles correctly so player data and my career link up. Mismatches break progression. Once configured, run the integrity check to verify checksums match. If the check passes, commit the virtual backup. If not, resolve mapping or export errors before continuing. Finish by loading the virtual save in NBA 2K20 and test my career, progress, and roster behavior. Play a short session to confirm stability. Once done, create a secondary backup of the virtual instance so you can revert quickly. If you encounter corrupted stats, missing apparel, or progression issues, revert to the original export and reapply virtualization with corrected mappings. A key troubleshooting tip: if errors persist, rerun the integrity check and remap profile ID. That resolves most sync and corruption problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.